Today I'm going to show you the 5 biggest mistakes photography businesses make and the solution to fix them so you can scale your business to 6 and 7 figures. Hi, I'm Tom, author of the 7-Figure Photography Business Secrets. I accumulated my knowledge over the last 12 years while building 3 distinct and successful photography brands with these principles. Tom's World Collection, specializing in fine art photography from around the globe, One Headshot, dedicated to professional headshots, and Tom's Visuals, focused on commercial photography. Over the years, I've helped countless creative professionals, photographers, graphic designers, filmmakers, and other visual artists scale from struggling startups to thriving, profitable businesses. Ready to break through the plateau? Let's get started. The 5 biggest mistakes photographers make are directly tied to the 7-Figure Framework, a proven system for building a profitable and scalable business. Each mistake reflects gaps in applying this framework effectively. Let's explore these mistakes and connect them to the framework's core components before diving into the solutions. Mistake number 1 is a lack of niche specialization, which directly connects to the one target audience principle and the rule of 5 ones within the 7-Figure Framework. Why does this happen? It's often because the fear of losing opportunities by narrowing your focus or not understanding that specialization drives premium pricing and builds credibility. Before I show you how to fix this, let's explore how it impacts your business. Without a clear niche, it's nearly impossible to stand out in a crowded market. You end up competing on price rather than value, which is a race to the bottom. Here's how to fix it. Define your niche, whether it's luxury weddings, architecture, or personal branding. Commit to becoming the go-to expert in that area. Pro tip: if you're passionate about more than one genre, like I am, split up your offerings strategically. Focus on each one until you're clearly speaking to the right audience. The more clarity in your messaging, the easier it will be to scale effectively. Trust me, I've been there. You might be thinking it highlights your versatility, but in reality, it dilutes your main message and confuses potential clients looking specifically for a headshot photographer, a wedding photographer, or a commercial photographer, or any specific niche you are trying to target. Mistake number 2 is outdated marketing tactics, a challenge that aligns with the one marketing channel and the ultimate 8-step marketing strategy in the 7-Figure Framework. Why does this happen? Because of a lack of cohesive marketing strategy or spreading yourself too thin, trying to manage every platform. Before I reveal how to fix this, let's talk about the consequences. Without a strategy, you are likely wasting time on platforms that don't bring results. This leads to frustration and inconsistent client bookings. Here's how to fix it. Invest in a results-driven marketing plan that works for you. Smart SEO strategies ensure the right clients discover your services. Email marketing nurtures relationships and keeps you front and center, while targeted paid ads deliver a steady stream of leads. While this sounds simple, it's actually not if you don't have a system in place and fail to work with KPIs to measure your progress. Pro tip: if you want a step-by-step system, my ultimate 8-step marketing strategy for photographers lays out exactly how to attract and book clients, practically on autopilot. You can find it in my book, The 7-Figure Photography Business Secrets. Just scan the QR code to learn more. Mistake number 3 is pricing too low, which impacts your ability to scale and ties into the one conversion tool principle of the rule of 5 ones inside the 7-Figure Framework. Why does this happen? Fear of losing clients if prices go up, or a lack of confidence in the value of your work. Before we get into solutions, let's look at the problem. Charging too little undervalues your talent, attracts pricing-sensitive clients, and leaves you burned out from overwork. Here's how to fix it. Adopt value-based pricing. Charge for the transformation you provide, not just the hours spent shooting or editing. Pro tip: want to know how to structure premium packages that attract high-paying clients? The 7-Figure Photography Business Secrets has an entire section dedicated to this specific strategy. Mistake number 4 is inconsistent workflow and systems, reflecting the need for efficiency and automation emphasized in the 1 year of focus component of the rule of 5 ones. Why does this happen? Manual workflows eat up valuable time, or there's no system in place for client management or deliverables. Let's explore the impact of this mistake. Without efficient workflows, you are stuck doing repetitive tasks that could be automated, leaving little time to focus on growth. Here's how to fix it. Automate and delegate. Most photographers are one-man bands, and AI can be your new companion, handling repetitive tasks and freeing you to focus on creativity and growth. Use tools like Aftershoot for AI-powered culling, Adobe Lightroom for fast editing, and ChatGPT for quick client responses. Pro tip: check out our AI-powered editing masterclass to streamline your workflow and reclaim your time. It can increase your productivity by up to 10 times. Mistake number 5 is failing to build long-term client relationships. Why does this happen? There's no follow-up strategy. You might be overlooking referrals from happy clients, or there is no strategy in place to secure retainer clients. Let's dig into why this matters. Without nurturing client relationships, you are constantly chasing new clients instead of building a reliable base of repeat business. Here's how to fix it. Build trust and use loyalty programs with a targeted follow-up strategy. Implement email newsletters to stay in touch, exclusive offers to show appreciation, and consistent social media engagement to remain top of mind for your clients. Pro tip: learn how to create a referral-friendly client experience. Develop a follow-up strategy and implement a plan to secure long-term retainer clients. This keeps them coming back and referring you to others. Scan the QR code for more details. And now I hand it over to Sam, my AI voice assistant, who'll guide you through today's Q&A.
Specializing doesn't mean saying no to every opportunity outside your niche. It's about positioning yourself as an expert in one area to attract premium clients. You can always take on other projects as they arise, but your messaging should stay focused. Posting alone isn't enough. A cohesive strategy ensures every effort works together. For example, your Instagram post should drive traffic to your email list, where you can nurture leads into bookings. It's about connecting the dots. Value-based pricing is about showing the transformation you provide, highlight the benefits clients gain, whether it's stunning wedding memories or professional branding photos, and explain how your expertise delivers those results. Start small. For example, Aftershoot for culling, Adobe Lightroom for editing, and ChatGPT for client communication. These tools work together to save time and boost productivity without overwhelming you. Automation is your friend. Use email tools to schedule newsletters, offer loyalty discounts, or send reminders about upcoming sessions. Consistency builds trust and keeps you top of mind. Before you go, here's an awesome surprise for you. Tom has put together a free bonus guide with everything you need to know about what we covered today. It's packed with tips, actionable steps, and insider insights to help you take what you've learned to the next level. Click the link in the description to grab your copy now. Don't miss out.
Scaling your photography business doesn't happen by accident. It takes intention, strategy, and the right tools. The 7-Figure Photography Business Secrets is your complete guide to breaking through revenue plateaus. Inside, you learn the 7-Figure framework to build a profitable and scalable photography business. The 5 stages from passion to profit, defining your vision, implementing the rule of 5 ones, and the ultimate 8-step marketing strategy for predictable scaling. Get your copy today or book a free discovery call with me at Studio for Motion, the marketing agency for photographers. We'll help you transform your passion into a thriving, scalable business. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips to grow your photography business. See you in the next video.